Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about global warming. So let us see first what is meant by global warming. So global warming is the average increase of the earth's surface and troposphere. So which can contribute to the changes in global climate patterns. So this global warming is somehow causing changes in the global climate patterns. How? Because when global warming is occurring, the temperature changes on the surface of the earth. So, if the temperature of the earth changes, then rainfall pattern changes, humidity level changes, in that way climate of the earth varies. So what are the reasons of global warming? There are two types of reasons. One is natural reason and the other is man made reasons. So we will discuss these reasons next. This global warming usually occurs because of the increased emissions of greenhouse gases due to the human activities. So let's see the reasons. Natural reasons. So in natural reasons, we have volcanoes, water vapor, permafrost, forest blazes. So water vapor is one of the greenhouse gases. These volcanoes, when they erupt lava, they also release few gases. So those gases will cause global warming. So permafrost is an ice layer which is frozen for at least 2 years. So, if this permafrost melt, the surrounding temperature increases, forest blazes. So, forest blazes provide us the warm, nice climate. So, if forest disappears, obviously the temperature increases. Next, what are the man-made reasons? Man-made reasons. Deforestation. If forest disappears, obviously the temperature of the surroundings increases, rainfall decreases. So deforestation, because of deforestation, oxygen cycle, carbon dioxide cycle, water vapor cycle, everything disrupts, because of which global warming occurs. So deforestation is the main reason for, and the first reason for the global warming. Use of vehicles. So use of vehicles releases harmful gases in the atmosphere. One of which is nitrous oxide, N2O. This N2O is is the most dangerous gas which is causing global warming. Chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons are also one of the greenhouse gases. So these causes global warming. Industrial development. This industrial development, because of industrial development, more greenhouse gases will be released into our atmosphere, which in turn causes increase in the greenhouse effect. So increase in the greenhouse effect causes global warming. Agriculture. Agriculture, in agriculture, mostly one third of paddy is flooded paddy. So this flooded paddy increases greenhouse gases, and the animal like cows, pigs, their livers, everything releases greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which causes global warming. Overpopulation, emission of carbon dioxide, methane, everything, and the increased population again causing pollution in the atmosphere, releasing the greenhouse gases, causes global warming. So let's see what is the relation between global warming and the greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect can be natural and enhanced. So natural greenhouse effect is necessary. It's important for the earth in order for the life to exist on the earth. So this, if the greenhouse gases are enhanced because of the because of the human activities, it causes enhanced greenhouse effect. So let's see about greenhouse effect. So this is natural greenhouse effect and this is human enhanced greenhouse effect. So here, whenever the sun's rays passes in the atmosphere or onto the surface of the earth, solar radiation gets reflected back to the space. So in this process, these greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere, they absorb this solar radiation. They absorb this solar radiation and keeps the earth's temperature warm so that life can exist. If these greenhouse gases are absent, then temperature of the earth goes to minus 19 degrees. So that in that temperature life cannot exist on the atmosphere of the earth. That's how the earth will be frozen lifeless planet. So this natural greenhouse effect is necessary for the life to exist on the earth. Here more heat escapes into space, so heat budget will be maintained. Heat budget is nothing but incoming heat and outgoing heat difference. So if these heat budget is maintained, the earth temperature will be suitable for the life. So let's see what's happening because of the man-made activities. So here, because of the man-made activities like deforestation, use of vehicles, all these reasons, greenhouse gases are increasing. Greenhouse gases are increasing in the atmosphere, that is in the troposphere, because of which the more greenhouse gases are released in the atmosphere. So whenever the sun's radiation enters into the earth's atmosphere, these more greenhouse gases are present. These absorb more heat. So in that case less heat will be reflected back into the space, because of which heat budget of the earth is disrupted. That means more heat is locked inside the atmosphere of the earth, because of which the climate, I mean the average temperature of the earth increases. So the atmosphere will be more heat, more hot than it was during the natural greenhouse effect. So the presence of more greenhouse gases or increasing the greenhouse effect, because of which global warming is occurring. So what are the impacts of this enhanced greenhouse effect? Let's see. So glaciers, ice caps, everything is melting. Permafrost is decreasing. And here changes in plant life. Oceans are getting warmer. They are disrupting animal life in water. Rising sea level. Islands are submerging. Damaged corals. Storms. We already discussed weather patterns, climate patterns are changing because of the global warming. So more thunderstorms, changing rain and snow patterns, these are occurring. And animal migration is more frequent, because if the temperature is increasing, if the warming of the earth is happening, the life presence in temperate and tropical climates, they move to other places where they can bear the temperature. So this migration will be seen more. and temperatures will be increasing, higher temperature. We can see the average increase in the temperatures, and because of which more heat waves. So animal life will struggle because of more heat waves. Next, more droughts and more wildfires. These occur. So, if more industries, more pollution is happening, more greenhouse gases are released, and all these changes happening, and this will become a cycle. So, thank you. This is about greenhouse effect and global warming. This is Pandana Anuraj signing off. Thank you, guys.